how to remove the grid lines in your Excel spreadsheet. Say you have this beautiful little workbook, you've made a spreadsheet, and all you want to do is make it a little bit more professional looking. One way to do this is to remove your grid lines. The grid lines are these little gray lines that are behind all of your data. To do this, simply go to View and click on the little checkbox that says Grid Lines. Now, the entire background of grid lines has disappeared, but all of your border lines remain. This just makes your report look a little bit more professional. To re-add your grid lines, simply go back to View, find the little Grid Lines checkbox, and click on it. Thank you for joining us at Nerdalific today, and we'll see you next time.